doggy.
What?
He always makes excuses.
What? Come on, Lucy. Huh? Let me get what I come to get first. No stopping. Come on. Let's go do Move. Whew, I'm glad you grabbed it and not just let it fall.
That is scary.
You supposed to, oh God, you didn't even try to run to your brother's rescue.
It's so good when you go right here. Because it's an area.
Yeah. Like really. Come on. Oh, let me see if they got my no, my water that I like.
I want to look in the toy section. Mom, are you looking in the toy section after this?
No, we ain't going no toy section.
You just can't look.
Come on, let's see.
Only just 2 minutes.
No, they don't have it. No, they don't have no toys. But y'all ain't getting none.
I thought you would look. When I get nothing. You just look. Go.
Come this way.
This way?
I was trying to see if they had some waters. Come on. Come on. Come on, Chuka.
I never seen.
Oh, wait, come. Let me see something. Toolbox. A briefcase. That's cute. May get this. Oh, they got more down here. Oh, they got they got different sizes. Small, medium, large. I mean, well, small, medium, large. I'm gonna get the big one. Oh, that's a good balloon. I wonder if I could buy it now and then have them blow it up. I think that's what I'm gonna do.
Looks like something on the back of
Oh,
it.
look, they got brush cleaners. This is for makeup brush. All of these. The unicorn. All right, come on.
I already know where I'm going.
Come on. Come.
I know what I get into. That's big.
They don't have the waters that I want. Come on, let's look over here.
Oh, what?
I'm ready to go home. Uh-oh. Come on, let's find. Oh, let me get some plates. Go this way. Mom. Okay, I'm gonna get some plates right quick because I think. Huh? Uh-oh. This way right here, let's see. Let me get another finger for you. Hold that. Thank you. Oh, they got little choice soy sauce. I'm gonna get this. These. Hot. Huh?
Balls.
Why?
Cause for cereal.
Oh, here. Excuse me. Here. Whew.
I had a phone.
That's your concern. That is stuff for him.
I think your clothes is. Oh,
Don't get it.
what the hell?
Them the stuff in here. Girl, you said you got no money. And you said you got everybody spoon.
Where you get? You want to get one pack?
No.
You got some?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, come on. I'm ready to go.
Oh, look at the big old drain over. They ain't the kind we be using.
This the one.
For the kitchen, take the whole ball.
Well, I know, so why don't you get it? $1. I'm not going to the store today. I'm gonna go tomorrow by myself.
Out of all of us, who would you go with? It'd be mostly me.
Oh, little C, please. Get off your. Get off my dad. Get a Pepsi if you want one. Ma, you want a Pepsi?
Let me check out these cups.
Cause I am. Mm-hmm.
And I just saw it was called, they was they need to throw.
Well, 6 of them too.
Chatty, can you please put that in there?
I'm gonna get this the money goes.
Gee, where's Louise? Mochi. Nothing. Just nothing.
She just don't make me give her some money.
Come on, Chatty.
Stop touching stuff.
Channy. Oh, God.
My arm,
You hurt your own arm, boy. I was looking at that. You seen I took a double take. I don't need it right now, though. I ain't buying no.
We're going to check out.
Oh, look at these off the market. Come
I
on.
see the toy.
Huh?
He said he see a toy down.